What have you guys got for us today? Introduce yourselves. Who are you? Tell the people.
We are the Two Cheeky Monkeys.
My name's Josh.
My name is Chris.
And we're going to try something a little bit...
Cheeky?
Silly.
Stupid, dangerous. I mean, you could even say that what we're going to do is dangerously stupid.
Or stupidly dangerous.
Ooh.
Introducing Two Cheeky Monkeys, otherwise known as us.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, that's right.
Thank you. And speaking of introductions,
My name is Chris.
and my name is Josh, and together we're the Two Cheeky Monkeys.
Now, before we start the show, we need to ask you a couple of quick questions. Would you like to see something dangerous?
Ooh.
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Or would you like to see something clever?
Wow.
Or would you like to see something utterly stupid?
That's how I like it.
Well, unfortunately, we've only got time for one of the three, so...
Tonight, we are going to do something that is dangerously stupid. Nice. Do you want to see something dangerously stupid?
Yes,
Yes! Well,
Right.
I think we're going to need a little bit of help, actually.
Oh, boy.
Yeah, you go get some help. One of you's actually agreed to do this, hasn't it? What's his name?
He's
Is
just
it-
there.
he's
I
right
can see
there.
him
Is
there.
it Tim?
Wait, he's not here.
Oh,
Victim.
I'm busy.
I'm busy.
Victim.
No.
Here we go. That's it. Come and stand right on the blood stain for us.
Okay.
Okay.
So, are you feeling brave?
Yes.
Because tonight we are going to do not one,
Not two,
not four
but three.
dangerous acts all rolled into one giant finale.
And number one.
We are going to do, well, we're going to go for our personal best of 10, of 6 successful passes as we play Knife or Life.
Give me an ooh. And number two.
We are going to do an act
That we
known in the industry as the Walk of Death.
give me an
And number 3, we're going to do something that we've never tried before. It's never been seen before. In fact, we probably shouldn't do it because we're about to kill your friends. It's known as the Ring of Fire. Give me a
Chris, come on. Lockdown's almost over, mate. You should probably stop with the OnlyFans.
Okay, all right. But subscribe, honestly. Like, it's worth it.
You are a very cheeky monkey.
Okay.
So, we've got one really important job for you.
Okay.
Yeah, Vic, we need you to stay
Perfectly still. Okay, don't move a muscle. DJ, hit it.
How has he even wrote this for this, lads?
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh, I didn't. Little bit of a banger though.
But look at his shoulders.
6.
Oh my
Oh my god.
5.
Ah!
4. 3. 2. 1.
He's still alive! Okay, all right. Okay. So, can I have you on your back for me?
On my back.
Yeah,
like
you're gonna lay
lying
down.
flat.
Feet at that end, head at that end for me. That's it. Yeah. And Vic, important bit.
Now, legs together for me. This is a family show. That's it. Right. Every time I take one step, I need one big clap from you all.
Alright.
I promise I have tried this once before.
No. Wheel.
And
Wheel volcano class.
Wow. Oh my
wait,
god.
no, that's not dangerous enough, you know.
What
That's
do you mean not dangerous enough?
it. And this one nice and light. And behind your head for me, Vic.
Oh!
Nice and
Oh my god.
Have you had kids, Vic?
Huh?
Have you had kids?
No.
You might not be able to after.
Oh my. Oh my. Ah!
It's all right, Vic. This next bit You're going to be perfectly safe. Grab your knees for me. That's it. Bring your legs right in. I promise. I'm going to keep you safe, Vic.
Please, oh my God.
Stay still. We've got a little bit of press with that one. It's all right. Don't go anywhere. Right. Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
All right. All right then.
I'm off. See you later, Vic.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Vic can't even see what's happening right now.
Ladies and gentlemen, men especially, give it up for our wonderful volunteer. It's all right, Vic. You can stop crying. Stand up, business. Vic, take a step forward with me. You've been absolutely fantastic. My name is Josh.
My name is Chris. Together we are the two cheeky monkeys. And the final word from us is thank you. A good night.
That was sick.
That was sick.
I'll give him a stand up.
Oh, it's fine, Vic. Vic, you don't know what happened, do you?
It's a little bit terrifying.
That was amazing. Hey, you have no idea what just happened behind you, do you?
Was you just looking at the floor?
It was hot.
It looked hot. There was a man in that ring doing circles around you.
No, but just then, the backflip.
Oh my God.
Oh no, I felt it, and I saw.
Good?
Okay.
Wow. Oh, nice.
Wow.
I'm gonna go. Man, I thought you would say you can stay.
He's still alive.
He is.
That's good.
Yeah. You don't sound. That didn't sound very convincing, Josh. That's great.
That's great, lad.
Well.
Wow.
What a finale.
Wait, what do we say?
Bro, I mean, that was.
We saved the breast till last.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Yeah.
Right, well,